Welcome back to Cityline. Joining me now is the Community Engagement Manager for the Hilltop Artists, Monique Simkova, and welcome to Cityline. Also, I want to thank you for the partnership with us for all the wonderful glass that we have in our studio on a regular basis. It's just been a great partnership between the Hilltop Artists and TV Tacoma, so thank you for that as well.
You're so welcome.
Well, let's begin with Arts Night Out. What is it?
Yeah, Arts Night Out is our block party, and it's a way for us to celebrate our community, bring everyone together, enjoy the summer. There is art and music and food, and this one's going to be our biggest one ever. We have 15 other organizations that are going to be a part of it, and it's our 13th anniversary, which is also amazing. So yeah, that's kind of the gist of Arts Night Out. Oh, it's on August the 2nd from 4 to 7 p.m. and at Hilltop Heritage Middle School, which is over on 6th and Sprague. So yeah.
So you mentioned, why is it important? What that Arts Night Out?
Yeah, I feel as though over the pandemic, that communities, there's not a lot of like gatherings, and rightfully so because of the pandemic.
Right.
And so we're really grateful we have the time and space to be able to provide this event for people to come together, to see each other, because we're super social beings and we need connection in order to feel well, in order to feel whole. And so this provides a way, it's family friendly, the majority of it is outdoors, it will be safe, and to be able to give that connection to people. I mean, I'm an introvert, so I totally understand. I desire as well, being like, no, I'll just stay at home. But the other day I went to a festival and I was like, wow, you know, I didn't realize how much I needed that until I experienced it. And I walked away feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. And so, yeah, for all those people out there that are feeling kind of like a bit awkward about going to social things or having some social anxieties, like come out for a bit and enjoy some time and see some people. And you might walk away thinking like, yeah, I'm really glad that I did that. I'm glad that I put on some pants and went outside and saw people.
Sure.
Yeah.
So expand a little bit more about the fun activities that will take place during this evening.
Yeah. So there's going to be tall bikes from Second Cycle. So these are like, I don't know how else to explain them other than they're tall bikes. And then there's skateboarding lessons from Alchemy. And then there'll be 15 different booths from organizations. There will be a fusion project that's going to be in the hot shop, so like cold glass that you can be able to kind of make a mosaic with. And then there'll be glass blowing demonstrations of our students on the floor. They're amazing. If you haven't seen glass be blown before, it's magic. It's really incredible to watch. The choreography of everyone working together and the teamwork, and our shop is beautiful. We're really grateful to have it. Then let me think what else. Oh yeah, we'll have DJ Midnight Mike providing music, and then a station for like bubbles and chalk for little kids, and an area to sit and have free food. We'll have Lumpia Love and Elotes, which is corn with butter and mayo and cheese and chili, and it's delicious. Both Lumpia Love and I Love Elotes were previous students at Hilltop Heritage when it was Jason Lee, so that's also really cool.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's going to be an amazing time. It's the biggest one we've ever had before, and I'm really excited about it. Now,
I believe a few weeks ago I saw the portable glass blowing trailer out at the LeMay Car Museum. Is that going to be there, or is that not part of it?
No,
okay.
That's a mobile hot shop. And
okay,
yeah, totally.
Yeah, I was just like, oh, I didn't know if that was, so I was going to ask. All right, so with the gallery, will the gallery be open for sales?
Yes.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So 4 to 7, we'll have the gallery open. These earrings are like Hilltop Artists.
Oh, nice.
But showing those off. But yeah, at the gallery we have necklaces, earrings, vases, sculptures, a whole array of different things. So a lot of people want to come in and shop at our gallery, but we have limited times where it's available. So
Sure.
it will be open for August the 2nd.
Okay, excellent. So each year you have an art station for T-shirt crafts. Are you having one of those again this year?
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
And we spent hours trying to figure out the best system and organization and plan and activity for the art station. So I'm really excited about this year. It's going to be a blast. And we'll also need volunteers for that. So if anyone's interested in volunteering with paint and T-shirts and doing kind of screen printing stuff, they can go on our website, hilltopartists.org, to be able to find the volunteer positions for that. But yeah, that's gonna be a blast.
Cool. All right. Who helped to bring all of these organizations together?
Yeah. So shout out to Caitlin Oler from Imagine Justice. She's been an amazing help at coordinating and wrangling people together. And there was a YSAN group, youth serving. It's a youth serving organizations, and they all came together and decided we're gonna be a part of this. And so I'm really grateful for her help in making this event what it is with all of these organizations involved.
Now you mentioned that there were going to be 15 booths, and were there other organizations that you still wanted to talk about that were part of this process?
There are so many that I can't remember,
Right.
but if you want to look on our Facebook or our website, you can see the list of everyone that's going to be there. But yeah, I tried to practice remembering them, but it's too many.
Very good. Now, you talked a little bit about volunteering, and that was for paint and whatever, but if someone wanted to volunteer for the event and they just go to the website, and you said there's a list, and
Yeah.
what kind of opportunities are there?
Yeah, we have volunteering as well as in the gallery as the cashier, helping to like pack up glass and stuff like that. So that's also on our website if you want to check that out. And then the other big one, as I talked before, is the art station. So yeah, those two.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And then what is the latest information with Better Futures Luncheon?
Yeah. So 2019 was the last time that we were at Hotel Murano Bicentennial Pavilion. And we're going to be there again this year.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so very exciting. So October the 4th, so it's August the 2nd for Arts Night Out, and then October the 4th for Better Futures Luncheon. And that's going to happen 10:30 to 1. Tickets are on sale. You can go to our website to purchase them. $45 for an individual ticket, $450 for a whole table of 10. And yeah, we're so excited to be back at Hotel Murano and to have an in-person event. And the speeches that are there bring tissues. Everyone cries. The food is amazing. We have centerpieces that you get to, they won't look like these, but they're beautiful just the same. Anyways, yeah. So.
And tell us, for those that don't know, what is the purpose of the Better Futures Luncheon?
Yeah. So to share the story about Hilltop Artists, the successes of the students, to give people a chance to come together and meet each other and talk to each other, and yeah, just to fundraise and help spread the awareness about what we're doing with our mission and all the great work that we've done over the years.
Great. So the date of the Better Futures Luncheon again is?
October the 4th. It's the first Tuesday of the month.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's at the pavilion,
Yeah, Bicentennial Pavilion at Hotel
Yeah.
Murano. Yeah.
excellent.
Yeah.
And tickets you can get them online at the website?
Yep. Hilltopartists.org.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, when we talk about Hilltop Artists, just give me just a brief overview of what Hilltop Artists is.
Yeah. It is a nonprofit organization that helps to use art to give students that are from diverse economic and cultural backgrounds better futures. And I wasn't in glass previously to Hilltop Artists, And working there, I am blown away, no pun intended with the Netflix series, but blown away with what students get to learn through glass. The collaboration, the teamwork, the self-expression, the patience, the being able to fail over and over again and keep on trying, because glass is finicky and it's really hard. The learning curve is difficult, and the students that I see go through the program, the amount of integrity they have, their character, really creating people that we're proud to have in our community, and we're proud to see where they go and what they do, and when they come back, being able to, what have you done and where have you gone? And beautiful organization. I've worked there for 4 years, and I'm biased because I work there, but I am so impressed by what students can learn through glass art.
Well, I have to tell you, Monique, it's been a pleasure to have you on Cityline today, and we've run out of time. Thank you again for your time here, and hope both events go very well in the near future.
Thank you.
All right. And we'll be back with Kwabi Amwa Forson and the Peace Bus. Stay with us.